What if I told you an AI can build a complete, fully functional website in less than 60 seconds? Welcome back to The Explainer. Today we're completely shattering any limiting beliefs you might have about building an online business. If you've been holding back because you think you need thousands of dollars, a computer science degree, or just months of free time to launch, well, you really need to hear this. The game hasn't just changed, it's literally been rewritten.
I tested one of the newest AI website builders, and honestly, the results were shocking. I simply typed in something like, "create a tool for my online business," and the AI instantly generated the logic, the text, and a gorgeous mobile-friendly design. Seriously, no coding, no design skills, no expensive developer. The whole shebang was ready in under a minute.
Section 1. The 60-second AI website.
Okay, let's dive right into this, because this isn't some futuristic sci-fi concept. This is happening right now, using a suite of completely free tools that Google just quietly released. Here's the exact zero-code workflow to get it done. Step 1. You open Google AI Studio. You literally just describe the vibe and the goal of the tool you want, let's say an ad copy generator for a coffee brand. In exactly 60 seconds, AI Studio builds the fully functional app logic. But it might look a little basic at first. So step 2, you jump over to a tool called Stitch. You give it a quick prompt describing a cozy minimalist design, and in just 5 seconds, it generates a beautiful, responsive user interface. Step 3, just copy that beautiful UI code from Stitch, paste it right into your functional engine back in AI Studio, and boom, you've just combined a powerful brain with a beautiful face to create a world-class digital tool.
Just think about this crazy contrast. We have the old way of doing things. If you wanted to build an interactive tool or a custom website feature before, you were looking at hiring expensive developers, spending thousands of dollars, and waiting months for revisions. It was a nightmare. Now, compare that to the new way. 60 seconds, 0 lines of code written by you, and it is 100% free. This is exactly why so many small businesses are already using tools like this to launch faster than ever.
Section 2. Google's secret free AI stack.
Now, the real surprise here is that AI Studio and Stitch are not just isolated gimmicks. They're actually part of a massive, professional-grade AI arsenal from Google. It's basically an entire agency packed into a box, and 99% of the world has absolutely no idea it exists. Think about how these free tools directly replace traditional, super expensive roles. Need deep research? NotebookLM reads your massive documents and can literally turn them into an audio discussion. Need a central command assistant? Gemini searches the live internet and your private Google Drive. Need developers and designers? Well, we just saw AI Studio and Stitch completely handle that. But wait, what about marketing? Let me introduce you to Pomeli.
Pomeli is deceptively simple. It's essentially a one-click marketing agency. You just paste your newly generated website URL right into a single box. The AI instantly scans it and builds a complete brand DNA profile. It learns your exact colors, your fonts, and your specific cozy tone of voice. Then, with just one prompt, it generates an entire week of fully on-brand social media posts. We're talking images and captions included. It's literally a marketing agency on demand, instantly.
Section 3. Real AI business blueprints.
So, we have the tools, but what does this actually mean for the real world? Well, people are actively using these rapid build AI tools to generate massive revenue right now. Take a look at this number. $32,000. That is the estimated monthly revenue of an AI language channel on YouTube. And get this, the channel is only 5 months old. They are pulling in over 4 million long-form views every single month just by using AI to generate conversational English lessons.
And the profit margins? They are absolutely insane, all thanks to tools like Wondercraft AI. By using its conversation mode, you can generate an entire script and incredibly natural-sounding dual AI hosts. The cost to produce one of these highly profitable episodes? As little as $2.50. Yeah, $2.50. It's wild.
Think that's crazy? Check out this number, $21,000. That is the estimated sales figure achieved in less than 2 weeks by a brand new AI UGC, that's user-generated content, influencer account on TikTok. They made those massive sales using just 2 videos featuring an AI-generated person reviewing products. No way, right?
Here's the exact workflow they use to build that business. Step 1, you launch a fully customized dropshipping store using a tool like Build Your Store AI. It takes about 10 minutes and costs roughly $2. Step 2, you grab a product photo and use an image generator like Google's Nano Banana Pro to create a picture of an AI influencer holding that product. Finally, step 3, you bring that image to life by animating it into a video using AI video generators like VEO3 or Kling.
It is remarkably simple and honestly terrifyingly effective.
Section 4. Stop using AI the hard way.
Now you might be wondering, if all these tools exist, why are some people getting amazing 60-second functional websites while others are just getting garbage, robotic text? It all comes down to strategy. Most people do what's called push prompting. You try to do 80% of the work, writing this massive paragraph, trying to give exact turn-by-turn directions to the AI. It's frustrating and it usually fails. But the top 1%, they use pull prompting. You just set the destination, the exact outcome you want, and let the AI ask you the questions it needs to get there. It's like using a GPS instead of trying to navigate with a giant paper map. So, how do you actually trigger pull prompting? You just paste this magic sentence at the very end of your prompt. Ask me all the questions you need for you to create this for me. That's it. That simple line forces the AI to extract exactly what it needs from your brain to do all the heavy lifting for you. It's an absolute game changer.
Section 5. The ultimate prompting formula.
To truly master this whole AI thing, we need structure. Expert Dan Martell has developed an incredible framework for structuring your inputs so the AI becomes a world-class asset tailored specifically to you rather than just some generic autocomplete robot. He calls it the Master Prompt Formula, and it has 4 key parts. First, the role. Tell the AI exactly who to act like. For example, act like a world-class marketing strategist. Second, context. Give it all the background information on your business or your specific scenario. Third, the command. Tell it explicitly what the objective is. And finally, the format. Don't just ask for an answer, ask for a bulleted list, a table, or a specific layout. Giving it these exact parameters drastically improves the quality of the output.
And if you want to take things to the absolute highest level, you personalize it. You create a master prompt manual for the specific roles in your life, whether you're a CEO, a marketer, or a student. It's basically a document that contains everything about who you are, what you do, and what your big goals are. You just upload this context document to the AI first, so it never sounds like a total stranger. It instantly gives you highly tailored results that actually sound exactly like you.
But let's take a quick step back here. While AI can build a website in 60 seconds and write all your copy, there's a reason you shouldn't panic about being replaced. You need to future-proof yourself by really leaning into what makes you human. First step is your taste. Machines can generate all day, but humans know what great actually looks like. Immerse yourself in excellence. Second is vision. Schedule time to just think and imagine concepts that don't even exist yet. AI optimizes what already is, but humans create what's next. And finally, care. Focus on heartfelt, empathetic human connections. That right there is the totally irreplaceable element of any successful business.
The crazy part is, the tools are out there, they are incredibly powerful, and as we've seen today, many of them are completely free. The unfair advantage starts the very moment you stop just consuming and start building. So I have a question for you to wrap up this explainer. Would you trust AI to build your next website? Let me know in the comments below, comment yes or no, and make sure to follow for more mind-blowing AI